Pata leo services ya wananchi itafika karibu. So tunashukuru serikali. Ya ukubwa tunashukuru Rais Uhuru Kenyatta.
The Court of Appeal this morning did not hear the appeal by the Kenya National Union of Nurses due to the absence of the third respondent, the Council of Governors, who were not served with a hearing notice for today. Seth Panyako's lawyer Alexandra Jaoko says he will be writing to the registrar for a date as early as next week. The Kenya National Union of Nurses Secretary General Seth Panyako is now asking President Uhuru Kenyatta to take charge of the issue.
This is a very sad day, like it has continued to be sad days in our life history, that instead of us fighting to liberate nurses against oppressors who are employers, in this time the government, the county government, the national government, we are here fighting against a nurse who is enriching himself using nurses. We want to tell John B. that he's a caste person, and the money he's getting by colluding with the Council of Governors and the Ministry of Health, he will never see peace in his entire life. John B. will never see peace for scavenging on the fight of the nurses. He will never see peace. And we are telling him that his generation to come will always suffer for the sins he has committed against this profession. We should not be sitting here today in the courts that one of us has taken us to court. We want to say very clearly that we are going to fight at every level. We are going to continue fighting until the profession of nursing is respected. You have seen the reemergence of leprosy. Reemergence of leprosy is as a result of the strike that took place in 2012. The effect of this strike is going to be seen between 3 to 10 years to come. Those fellows who have a lot of money, who don't seek medical attention in public institutions, do not care. It is the poor who are going to suffer. And as my colleague has said, I want to ask the President that the buck stops with you. You took oath of office to protect the sovereignty of this state, to protect the dignity of the Kenyan people, and you cannot sit back and preside on a dying nation. We are asking you, Your Excellency, as a union, we are ready to meet you, and I want to make it very clear that we have two levels of government in this country. And it comes a time when the interest of the nation is bigger than all of us. I want to say the level of government we have is the national government. National government is headed by His Excellency, the President of this Republic, Honorable Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. County government is headed by NASA. The chair of COG is Honorable Nanok. I want to tell the world